There's never been a better time to start your own online business. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 of the best online business ideas specifically for beginners that have massive potential this year. These are the same online businesses that have helped my wife and I pay off over $40,000 worth of debt, quit our jobs in teaching and law enforcement, and make tens of thousands of dollars per month. Now, none of these businesses are going to make you rich quick. Starting a business is a challenge. It takes a lot of time and effort up front in order to start seeing results and income come in. But if you pick just one of these online business ideas and actually stick with it, it can be completely life-changing. So please hit the like button and let's get into business idea number 1. All right, the first business idea I want to talk about is reselling. So finding items within your house, whether it's in your garage or your basement or your closet, underneath your bed, finding items that you're no longer using that have value to other people and listing them on sites like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. This is by far the easiest online business you can start because you don't need any previous skills or experience to get started. You can literally find items all around your house and take a couple minutes just to post them up for sale on those sites and start making some quick cash. We actually have close friends, Robbie and Melissa from Flea Market Flipper. They do this full time. They really flip bigger items. Through high school and college, I actually ran a reselling business. I would find absolutely everything in my house, in my neighbor's house, my friends' houses to resell and make them money. And I would keep a profit of that. Obviously, this is one that you are still trading your time to earn the money on each flip, but you can scale it. You can hire other people to source the products, to list them for you. So it is a way to leverage other people's time to run a full-time business with. That's why I really think it's important when you are reselling to focus on bigger items that are going to give you bigger profit. So when I used to do this in college, I used to sell wine coolers for a couple $100s, even up to a couple $1,000s, and the profit margins would be a lot higher and a lot better for revenue selling the bigger ticket items versus trying to sell baseball cards and flip t-shirts. Those are ones that you're gonna have to continually do and put a lot of time and effort into, and probably do 100 of those to equal one of the big purchases. So focusing on bigger items, obviously it's more work to ship them, but you are gonna see a lot more of this. Once you run out of items within your house, you can start sourcing items right on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, where you can look for items that are much bigger, such as cooktops or Nordic tracks, or basically anything that is a bigger size item that you can have a bigger profit margin on. All right, the second online business that I want to talk about is freelancing. So it's taking the skills you already have, whether that's bookkeeping, proofreading, graphics design, video editing, email management, taking those skills, offering them to other people, getting clients, getting on a monthly retainer, or earning a higher wage than you are at your job. And that is helping you go from employee to self-employed. Now, in the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, there's 4 quadrants that you want to move along to reach financial freedom. And that's why we're talking about online businesses to help you reach financial freedom, increase your income, get more time back in your life. The first one's employee, you're trading your time for money. The second one is self-employed, where you get to set your own hours, set your own prices, and then you move into business owner. That's how you scale from self-employed to business owner. You leverage other people's time. And then once you have a cash flowing business with lots of money coming in, you can become an investor and start investing in real estate, stock market, all that stuff, which you should be doing already, but an online business that's cash flowing can help you really accelerate that. So to start a freelancing business, you really want to take an inventory of the skills that you have. And once you do that, you can kind of look on places like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr.com for clients, or you can even network within Facebook groups to start getting your first couple of clients. And you can easily charge, depending on what skills you're doing, you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour, depending, like I said, what type of task you're doing. Or you can even go on a monthly retainer, maybe $1,000 a month, depending on the amount of work you're doing. Basically, what you want to do is find other online business owners that have way too much on their plate and want to outsource some of the tasks that they do on a weekly basis to you, so that you can earn that money. And over time, once you have a bunch of clients, you can start to subcontract some of this work out. And this is where it really becomes a business. So say you're a graphics designer making thumbnails for YouTubers, and you have 100 clients a month that you're making YouTube thumbnails for, you can start to find another graphics designer that you pay half of what you are earning. So say you charge $10 per thumbnail, you can pay them $5 per thumbnail. They can create it, you can send it to the client, and that way every time you're making $5 a pop really quickly, really easily, and it's super passive because someone else is doing that work. Same thing with creating content for blogs, writing, freelance writing. You can find clients that pay a high dollar amount, and then you can find a subcontractor that can do the work for you. Have a bunch of those underneath you that work for you and create the content, and you can kind of just focus on getting more and more clients. When I first started my entrepreneurial journey, I made sure to look for work within the same realm that that I was trying to build my business in. So digital marketing. I was able to find a client that I was doing freelance writing for, that I was uploading their blog post for, some graphics design, some Facebook ads, and work and learn those skills that I could turn into one of these other businesses that I'm going to talk about later in the video. I personally believe that starting a freelancing business is the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can easily earn $3,000 to $5,000, even upwards of $10,000 per month by just freelancing the skills that you already have. All right, the next two online business ideas kind of go hand in hand. It's called an online content creator. So the first one we're going to talk about is blogging, and the second one is going to be a YouTube content creator, so video. So blogging is more of that text-based content that you are going to be writing articles, providing value, answering people's questions, marketing products and services via affiliate marketing onto your blog posts and your website, and earning a good amount of money from that. So this is what we started when we wanted to quit our jobs and just earn a little bit of extra income, and it quickly became a full-time business. We make multiple six figures per year from our blog alone. We have a whole team that helps us run it now, so it's very passive for us. I probably put in 3 to 4 hours a day, Monday through Friday. So we're talking about 20, 25 hours a week, and the rest of the time I can kind of spend with the family. So it's incredible, incredible online business. One of my favorite, I think it's probably my favorite on this list, is starting a blog because of how passive it can be. Basically, you want to pick a niche that you have experience and education in, that you're passionate about, that you know what people are searching for, and you're able to kind of solve those problems for people. Whether that is the fitness niche, the personal finance niche, the health wellness niche, the kitchen niche, whatever it may be, find a niche that you're passionate about and start creating content that solves user problem. Everything should be what is it, or what's in it for me. So focusing on an audience and solving their problems, and that's really going to help you succeed as a blogger. A lot of times people think that blogging is writing about yourself and writing about your own experiences, and it's really gone away from that. It's more of, creating content that's optimized for keywords so that you can rank in Google, get that traffic, and then start making money from it. That leads to my next thing. To make money with blogging, it takes two things, and this is all you need to focus on. Creating high quality content that drives traffic, and then monetizing that traffic. So if you have an article that's getting 1,000 page views a month or 1,000 page views a day, how do you actually make money from that? How do you make money from people coming to your website? Well, there's really a handful of ways. The first one is going to be ads. So display ads, I'm sure you've seen them all over the place. I'm sure you're sick and tired of them on YouTube, and you probably got shown one before this video. Second one is going to be affiliate marketing. This one is huge because you just need to go out and find products and services that solve your audience's problems and then market them within your content. So super easy, and you can get conversions, whether they sign up with an email or they make a purchase, you're going to earn a commission off of that, and done deal, you've already made some money. So affiliate marketing is absolutely incredible, and you can do this with both a blog and a YouTube channel, and it's one that I highly recommend you start with right off the gate. As soon as you start publishing content on your blog or YouTube channel, is start with affiliate marketing. Have products and services that you know your audience needs, and then start to build that content silo around that product or service so that you can drive traffic to it and start to make income from. So the third way is going to be sponsorships, and that is a company coming in and saying, hey, you have an awesome audience, one that is directly related to what our ideal customer looks like, and we want to get in front of them. So they'll pay you a flat fee, possibly a CPA, which is cost per acquisition. You can kind of put together a whole package for them and really earn a lot of money off of that. So we've had sponsorship deals go anywhere from $2,000 to way over $10,000 per sponsorship deal, which is mind-blowing. And once you have this business started and you have your content creation process dialed in, you can really start to make awesome money through sponsorships. So now back over to starting a YouTube channel and being a content creator using video like I am right now. Very similar in nature, except the way that you are producing the content is much different. Obviously, you're not typing. For a YouTube channel, you are recording yourself and you are teaching other people about a certain topic. So I personally think YouTube's a little bit harder because you have to get in front of the camera, get comfortable, get your audio. You can definitely start with just an iPhone, 100%. We started with just an iPhone and it works just fine. It's all about hitting record, getting started, and that's the most important thing. And then you can get all the fancy equipment as you go. Just like a blog, you really want to start with a niche that you are experienced in or are passionate about, so you have endless opportunities of topics that you can talk about. And you're going to make money the same way you would as a blogger. You're going to make money through affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsorships, selling your own digital products or merch, or possibly consulting, depending on the niche that you're in. This is why I love both of these online business ideas, because they can be so passive. Every time we create a new article and publish it, we have that opportunity to rank in Google, get traffic evergreen every single month, and earn passive income from. Same thing with a YouTube video. If we create a viral video that gets really a ton of traffic, or it ranks in YouTube for a certain keyword, we start earning that passive income. And that is really the key to reaching financial freedom and getting your time back, is starting a business that's going to make you passive income. All right, before I jump into the fifth online business idea, comment below, would you be interested in an in-depth video on how to start a YouTube channel yourself? All right, the fifth online business idea is going to be e-commerce. So this is finding hot selling products from overseas, or even in the US through Alibaba, and marketing them, creating a Shopify website, and really promoting them on a bunch of different platforms. You can use TikTok, Instagram, influencers, you can use Facebook ads, you can use YouTube ads, whatever you want to market your shop, and then have people purchase your product, and then you basically keep the difference. So say you buy a trinket for $10 and you sell it for $25, minus all the fees, you're ending up with $10 profit per sale. I personally did e-commerce when I was in high school and college to kind of make some side hustle income, and it was really profitable. I would use a site called doba.com and also Alibaba to source my products. I would sell wine coolers and refrigerators, and I also sold, those are my bigger items. I would sell like sports memorabilia. But there was one Christmas that I was selling yoga mats and making a really good profit on, and the supplier ran out of stock and never informed me. So they continued to sell on Amazon, and then I could not fulfill those orders with Amazon. So Amazon gave me the and kind of blacklisted me from ever selling on Amazon again, which really sucked because it was so much fun and a lot of profit to be made. Now, there are a ton of other YouTubers that have a lot more experience in e-commerce and actually teach it on their channel. One of my favorites is Bahiza. He has a whole video that has over 1 million views on how to start an e-commerce business step by step, which is super, super useful. This is a very good online business idea if you are very creative and really good with marketing, because you can find these hot selling products, market them better than others, and promote them, like I said, on social media channels or Facebook ads, and really make an incredible, incredible profit and start an entire online business with. Our number 6 is going to be similar to e-commerce, but selling digital products. So what is a digital product? I mentioned them before. They can be planners, templates, checklists, trackers, anything that you're creating. You can use Canva, PowerPoint, Photoshop to create these digital planners, these digital things that you can print out and sell on either Etsy, Shopify, Thrivecart, Facebook ads, whatever you need to do to market and sell them. But it's incredible because you make these products one time, and then there's no overhead. There's no cost of goods to sell these products. So you spend the time and effort, a couple hours, to create these trackers and these digital products, and then you figure out a way to market them. You're making passive income. The profit margins are insane because there is no cost of goods. You're not having to source that product from overseas for $10 and then sell it for $25. This item is literally a digital PDF that costs you nothing to sell. So that's why I love digital products. We make well over $10,000 a month selling our own digital products. It's something that I definitely push hard on our channel because it is so profitable and it can be so passive when done correctly. So again, pick a niche that you have experience in or passionate about. If it's fitness, find calorie trackers that you can create. Maybe it's an Excel sheet that they can use. You can do a course. Maybe you're really passionate about gaming. You can create ebooks or guides that help people get through certain games. Or maybe you help moms and get them organized, so you can kind of create a cleaning tracker so their whole house can stay clean. They can stay organized on what needs to be cleaned when. I'll leave a link in the description for a free ebook that's going to kind of direct you and give you ideas on what type of digital products that you can create and sell. It's from our good friends Cody and Julie over at Gold City Ventures, and they actually helped a mom start making over $160,000 last year alone through selling her digital products on Etsy. I'll bring up the CNBC article right now. It's pretty wild, pretty incredible at what you are able to do once you are really good at creating digital products and selling them. All right, the 7th online business idea is going to be starting a SEO agency. So this is one of the most incredible skills that you can learn if you're trying to get into the online space and make money online, especially with an online business, is learning search engine optimization. This is helping other bloggers or local business owners or rank their websites higher in Google so that they can get more leads, bring in more traffic, and bring in more revenue. So it's a skill that's very highly sought after, and you can earn an incredible amount of money. Through monthly retainers, you can earn anywhere from $1,000 up to $5,000, $10,000 per month from one client. depending on the type of work you're doing for them. So just with a couple clients doing this type of work and learning the skill set, you can quit your job and run a full-time online business. So what type of services would an SEO agency actually offer? This would be writing content, auditing content, building backlinks, website optimization, URL structure, just networking, getting press releases, a bunch of different stuff that's going to build the authority for the site, improve the overall quality of the content, bring in some backlinks and rank the content to eventually bring in more money for the client. So like I said, to start this online business, you have to learn the skills of SEO, but you can quickly scale it with just a few clients, and then you can, backfeed with some freelancers to help you out to gain more clients and really scale this. I have no doubt that this type of online business, the SEO agency, can earn $10,000 per month pretty easily if you were to actually put in the time and effort and focus on it for 3 to 6 months. And on top of all that, there are some incredible SEO tools. I have reviews on both of these. One of them is Jasper AI and the other one is Surfer SEO. So Jasper is more of a content creation AI tool that helps you with blog post titles, outlines, writing the actual content, email marketing, SEO meta descriptions. It will automatically create content for you, and it's absolutely incredible. I have a full review I want you to check out. And then Surfer SEO basically looks at what's ranking in Google, comes up with the keyword density that you need, how many words you need, the type of formatting, all this type of stuff, so that you don't have to spend hours doing the research and it does it for you, and you can kind of outline your articles and create content quickly for your clients. Both those tools, for what they charge for them, is absolutely insane, the amount of ROI that you can get from them. I also have another video on how you can rank articles using both of them combined together with our step-by-step tutorial that you're more than welcome to check out. So if you're not the most creative person in the world, you don't want to start a blog or a YouTube channel and wait for months on end to start building an audience and start making money from, and you need money right now, and you want to start a business, one of the best skills you can learn is search engine optimization. Become an SEO expert, look on YouTube, take a course like Stupid Simple SEO, learn the skills you need, use tools like Jasper and Surfer SEO to help you gain those clients, get them results, and then just rinse and repeat. Backfill with freelancers, and you have yourself an SEO agency making at least $10,000 per month pretty easily. I tell my wife this all the time. If our blog and YouTube channel ever got shut down and all of our income stopped coming in, I would start an SEO agency tomorrow, and I could probably get that to $10,000 per month within 3 months or less. So it's one of those online businesses that don't require a ton of time and lead work to kind of start making money. You can start making money today, especially if you already have the skills. And if not, you can learn those skills pretty easily to start monetizing them and create your online SEO agency. There's a bunch of links in the descriptions with awesome resources to help you start any of these online businesses. I'll see you in my next video where I share my favorite passive income ideas that make us over $40,000 per month. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss one of our weekly videos to help you increase your income, reach financial freedom, and create a life you love. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.